Good morning, hunters. So we are ready for Tuesday hunt. We got some stocks to watch. Palantir is pumping 14%, still from the good earnings that we did yesterday. Yeah, on Monday. We got many stocks that pumping on the pre-market. We have to watch and see what's gonna happen because we have a huge pullback for many of them, like ERYBT getting rejected around the $2.18. This is not normal rejection. Look, we got like a huge pullback, almost 80%. Even though we dropped 80%, still holding 50% gain. We'll see if we have a continuation for this. We might. Let me just check. 22, 35, 64. So we might have a 64 profit taken for that one. If we broke the $2.18, so we need at least 78% once again. So we might have a power hour, not now, because it's dropping big time. Don't like this reaction. Anyway, we'll keep our eyes for this one later, not on the beginning of the market. This one as well looking heavily shorted. I will pass. And this one as well looking not that good for today. SYBX, we got earning after 2 days from now. 84. Yeah, as well for this one's looking kind of bad. I would take it from the list. GSMG, this one maybe is better. We already tested the 96. Okay, this is better. We got Palantir. We might have a good trade for it because we just pumped after hours. Yeah, we got earnings after hours for Palantir. That's why the price is jumping. Yeah, we were almost 25%. We'll see if we hold over the $8. Yeah, for continuation. How everybody doing? Welcome everybody. Oh boy, this one got shorted in after hours, I think yesterday. Yeah, we got shorted big time after hours, so I don't suggest to hold. That's why we don't suggest to hold after the market close. As we said, after the close everything goes. You see what's happened here? We have a huge test before the market close in power hour. Price got rejected and shorted. We got shorted 35% already. So for this one we might have another squeeze for it. If we bumped from here the 1965, we might get something at least around the 28. We'll see if we hold this pattern for this one. Claro que sí. Remind me of a Spanish. When I learned Spanish, the first word I learned in Spanish is claro. Of course. Claro que sí. Boom. We might have a continuation for this one around the $3. Yeah, GFAI. We had a good breakout yesterday, but guess what? We met with a resistance around that $8.70. Price went down, but we're still holding over the 7. So still looking good. We might have a break for today. The $8.70 looking interesting level to break. CVNA, we had breakouts over the 1050. We might have a great action this time. Yeah, we might have a great action for CVNA. TRVN as well. BLCM top 3%. Just watch out. Top is just preparing for something big, because the short added huge position around the 12.16, and the buyers is still there around the $9.45. So we are consolidating sideways now. BBYQ hit our profit taking, the 22, and now is going toward the 27. Yesterday we did 51%. What unprecedented squeeze, guys. 400% for BBYQ. This is not normal. 400%. This is crazy. Yeah. From the unlisting here, when we got unlisted, price got squeezed from down below. This is madness. We have to watch for the 53, of course. This is it. We might have a huge squeeze. Boom, here. PACW got shorted yesterday. We didn't hold over the 620. IDX doing all right. IDX doing all right. Let's go on our list here and check if we got something. HCMC. Yeah, still barcoding. Still barcoding. Claro, the second one. We got this one. We have to watch, still on our list. MOBQ, still on our list. ENSC. Okay, I think this one is pumping just right now. We have reverse split 1 to 12 last month. No, in March. Wow, so we got reverse split 1 to 12, then good earnings. We might have changing in the fundamental and the technical pretty soon because something is about to happen. Now is over 70%. We might have a test around the 8. Okay, interesting. The other one, we got SYBX. Yeah, we took it from the list. Of course, we got Palantir here. Volume really good and pre-market almost 8 million. Then we got TIVC. Chart doesn't look good. Yeah, it look really ugly here. Yeah, now we have a pullback for OMH. Huge pullback in the pre-market. So we have to see which one we could capitalize on. Maybe Palantir, PLTR. Okay. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, hunters. Good morning, John. Good morning, Williams. Aches. Mr. Getham. Frank in the house. Lemonhead. Great name, Lemonhead. Martin Abolo. TRVN asking. Por favor. Bien sûr. Claro que sí. Martin, claro, brother. Kingston, Morgan. Good morning. We got all the people from all the countries. Germany, Spain, England, Scotland, United States, of course, Canada, everywhere. But I think we don't have people from Asia, like from Japan or something. I don't know why. I think we had someone from Korea or China before, not from Japan. This is one of the country that I have to visit. I call it like a different planet. Okay, we got someone from Hong Kong. Lab Design, welcome brother. Romania, Eastern Europe, of my brothers from Romania here in France. We have a lot of people from Romania, Ukraine, everywhere. That's what I like about France. We have diversity here. France, welcome everybody. Welcome, welcome. UK, Frank. So we got a new hunter. Let us welcome a new hunter in the house. We got a new hunter in the house. I don't know how to spell your name. Kevin Kartek. Kevin Kartek, I think, yeah. Okay, welcome, brother. You have the blue star right now, so this is show me that this is the first month for you. So when you are new and you support our hunter channel here on YouTube, you'll be assigned with a star. So I will know who actually support our hunter channel and who's actually been hunter for more than 1 month or not, because here you see we have one of our hunter have not blue but almost green, so the color kind of show me how long you've been with us. Blue is really new, and we have the oranges mean you're really long with us, almost 6 months, and orange or red is more than 6 months. So welcome, brother, welcome. So now guys, let's do this. Let's hunt for the likes. We got 37 and people watching almost 100. Come on, let's even this out. We got 10 minutes, and I think it's doable that this 37 we can actually make it 97. 42. I could actually maybe Photoshop it, you know. I put 1000 likes. Yeah. I remember, guys, if you just came into our live streaming, we always do our live streaming around 3 p.m. CET each day, or 9 a.m. Eastern time if you live in America. So I understand if you live in America, it's a bit early for you to attend our live streaming in the beginning. So even on 9:30, no problem, before the market open, you know. So let's hunt for the likes, guys. 46. Come on, let's make us 97. At least 97 before the market open. Today, BBYQ, man, kind of surprised us because it's still pumping from the bottom after the enlisting. The price is still pumping for BBYQ, Shopify. And let us check today the earning. We got many stocks for today. We might have the earning for, so we have to prepare. We got so many stocks, and after hours today we might have some reaction for tomorrow. I will do a special video for it, of course, for the stock that we should hunt for a good swing trade. Let me just check if we have something familiar here. We got Virgin Galactic, I think it's tomorrow or today after hours. We got earning for Virgin Galactic. We might have action. Microvision, oh man. Microvision is, we don't have, is neutral, I don't know when. No, after hours, yeah. Microvision, today after hours. Microvision. So we have Microvision, which ticker symbol is MVIS. Let's go on the list of earning stocks. We got A, B, and B, guys, after hours. Yesterday we did 4%. We might see a continuation. We got RIVN. We got Upstart. We got Virgin Galactic. We got Clean Energy. So we got many stocks have earnings after hours for today. MVIS. This one could be a runner, guys, because we have a great bounce for the bottom. Wait a second, we got here earnings after 2 days. What's going on? Yeah, here on trading view is after 2 days, and here and after hours. What's going on? Let me just check here. Okay, we have something unusual. Let's see. Glove. Oh man, glove. Let me just check if we have an entry for this one. Nope. Let's see, glove. One of the top gainer before as well. Whoa, we have a huge pump. Let me just check. Yeah, today after hours, glove have an earning, and see what's happened. We have a huge run here, almost 15%. For the earning, we might have a continuation, but man, the chart look really ugly. Look really ugly because we are below the $2, and any price below the $2 doesn't look good to me. But there is always a but. We need to test the $1. Now it's 91. $1 will be indication for something or a huge whale, but we could actually swing it. Swing it. Let me just check how much we can do from there. Whoa, 50% or even 100. We'll see. I'll keep it. What else we have? Let me know if you have stock that have earnings today. Let me know. Cincianic have earnings after hours today. We got Cincianic, we got Kodak, we got TSP. What else? We got Emulan. Yeah, we got Emulan, but BNGO. Yes, BNGO. We got Cincianic and BNGO. Cincianic and BNGO. Okay, we got just 5 minutes before the market open. We have to go back to our list, and those I will keep it later in power hour to check them for entry for our hunter here on our Discord and here on our Patreon. So we're gonna do a special video for the hunt for the stocks that have earnings, because they're looking nice. Yeah, this one look dangerous. We'll see. Cincianic. Okay, we might have a reversal now. Yes, it's about to reverse. Whoa, we might got something here. You see here we have after hours earnings. We might get something good, guys. This one looking juicy. Okay. Boom. Let me just go back to our list and check the stock later. We're gonna do a special video, of course. TRVN, of course. TRVN. Let me just check this one. We check it on our pre-market watch list. See with me, guys, TRVN is pretty volatile, but the $2 should be support for today, or better yet, over this EMA. If we still hold over this EMA, would be a good indication for a huge bounce. And we have to test the $3.90 or below the $4 for a squeeze, because if we got rejected, it means continue toward the 2. But if we didn't, it's mean a continuation up toward the 5 and beyond. So TRVN, yesterday we did almost 400%. We see today what's gonna happen. This one I'm watching for a break for the 20 would be really nice. This one, if we have this when the market open, we might have a huge action. But at first, then we got this one, not good. Palantir, we have a breakout. Palantir looking juicy. Palantir looking juicy for the opening of the market. We might have a continuation. So Palantir, we got Claro, MOBQ, FUBN. Yes, you know what? Yeah, you know. OMH. Let's put Palantir. Yeah, we put Palantir here. Okay, guys. 2 minutes left. Oh man, this one looking nice. OMH. Remember, guys, live streaming is a bit delayed. Don't follow me blindly. Do your due diligence. And remember that day trading is risky. Don't risk money that you're willing to risk. And of course, it's time to learn and let the price come to you and never run after the price. Yes, let's go, guys. And of course, before we forget, come on, let's even this out. We have 53 likes. Let's even this out. We have almost 117 people watching. Come on, guys, we can do better. Just like the video before we enter our trading session for today, because we're gonna forget. Everybody gonna forget to like or even share whatever, because everybody focus on trading. So I can understand completely why you forget to like the video. So let's get right to it. Like the video first, and let's dive right in to our hunt for today. Boom. What's gonna happen? We watching OMH and Palantir for the open. Market is crazy. PLTR. Let's go, let's go, let's go. What's gonna be? Let's have a green day. Green day for today. Green day for today. Okay, market open. Let's go. Market open. We got OMH, Palantir testing and rejected. So $9.30 should be a resistant. Okay, let's see Palantir. Yeah, getting rejected. OMH looking good. Let's see OMH. If we have a break from the 1965. Okay, OMH. 28% down. Let's see if we broke the 1965, otherwise it would be game over. Yeah, Palantir got rejected around the $9.30, so I'm not entering here. We'll see if we have a pullback back toward the 8. I will enter there, but I will see. We got great earnings for Palantir yesterday, that's why we're jumping. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's going down. OMH. Risky, guys. This one is risky. Yesterday we have almost 400 jump, so we're giving a bit back now. We might have a test for this bottom. Yeah, this bottom and that bottom. So we got two bottom, $8, $12. For Palantir, we might see a test for this box from above the $8 if we don't break the $9.30. This one, TRVN, I think we light on volume, and yeah, it's kind of low trade here. We don't have huge action if we actually below the $3. Let's see. This one got shorted big time, but we're still holding the support in 69. This one broke the trend. MOBQ 53%. I think we are halted now. Yeah, OMH got halted down. Be careful, guys, when you see like the letter D near the ticker symbol is mean the price action is delayed, and here is delayed by 15 minutes. That's why it's still in pre-market, because it's delayed 15 minutes. Yeah, we have kind of a bit of red day for the market. If UBO, we have another huge buying pressure over our EMA, so this is good reaction. Still buying, someone is still buying FUBO. As we said, the $1.60 is our bottom. Shopify, the same. We got rejected around nearly our profit taken. That's why the price went down. We are down just 2%. So you see a sea of red here. Neo, Tesla, Nvidia, everything is red. Because as one of our hunters said it here, the CPI is tomorrow. So it's not green in the open, but red in the open now. Yeah, Palantir went down. So it's time to short. It's a short day. We got just one stock, for my opinion. Might have a good run. MOBQ, because it's still holding. MOBQ. Yeah, we might have a good run for this one. Let me just see if we have continuation. MOBQ. Okay, we have a resistance for this one around the 29.97. Let's see a test and break toward the 37 would be a squeeze. This is our support, the 1940 for MOBQ. Looking healthy now. Yeah, the only stock might have a continuation. The other one got sold off, like this one, halted down and kind of broke our ascending channel. Didn't break the resistance. The same for Palantir, got rejected around our resistance, but still holding above our AMA. So the market is in red and going down for many stocks, but MOBQ on the other hand is bouncing. We have just one resistance for this one around the 30 cents. The 30 cents will open the gate for squeeze. Now it's 67. Let me just check how much we can do over this breakout. 25%, and the second profit taken would be another 65 if we squeeze today. So it would be almost 130%. And now we have to hold the 1940 if we don't want to have a sell-off. Okay, so this should be the support, and this should be a breakout zone. This one is still halted down. Let me just check your questions, guys. GFAI, green, FUBO stock trading, just boom, boom, boom. Just hadn't projected this year. Yeah. GFAI. Where is GFAI? We got so many questions about this one. Yeah, GFAI looking promising. $8.70 should be a breakout zone for this one. $8.70 GFAI, and IDX is still good. This one is still closed. We don't have trade. We got open and SoFi looking good as well, but open looking better because we broke the $1.90. So open looking good with GFAI. We have to watch out. And VOS as well. So we have three looking pretty nice for a continuation. So open first because still looking healthy. So this is now is the support for open. Wow, Palantir is still going down. So the game plan for Palantir is to be patient. Is to have patience until the price go down to reverse. Now it's really risky to enter because the short is still shorting everything. Everything's going down because the short is controlling the market. Yeah, we have a huge pullback, guys. Be careful. The market is pulling back. It's like a current. It's like swimming in the high current ocean, you know? It's risky. Even if you could know how to swim, the current will be much stronger than you. The idea is to relax and let the current drive you and work your way like to the shores. That's the only way. It would be really stupid to try to swim against the current. Yeah, CPI tomorrow. That's why the people, investors, getting a bit cautious. BDRX 8%, light volume though, really light. And big picture doesn't look good. We have two reverse split, 1 to 5, then 1 to 4. I will keep my hands on my money from this stock. Yeah, it's really risky, guys. This one is really risky. Don't suggest to enter. The 39 would be a sign of squeeze. Otherwise, We never have a huge pump if we don't clear the 39. So watch out, not good to enter here. MCRB. MCRB, I think is already on our list. MCRB. Nope. Okay, so for this one, we already dipped. Yeah, we got sharpy trade here. We got the $4.25 as a support and $7 as a resistance. Yeah, red day, big red day. LGVN. Okay, MOBQ getting interesting. We have a huge pump now for MOBQ. MOBQ, guys, we might have a squeeze. Look, we might have a squeeze alert, guys. Squeeze alert. MOBQ looking interesting. HUBC, let me just check this one. Yeah, this one will wake up after we clear the $1, but this one is about to do something, guys. It's about to do something. 26 MOBQ. Yeah, MOBQ. I think this one will be a runner for today. If we broke the 30 cents, guys, this would be a game on. This would be a game on. Would be like a 100% stock. Still struggling here. Let's go in a smaller picture to see who's selling here. Yeah, we got the 26.37 break, or the 26.23. Yeah. Now or never. Now or never here, guys. 26.30. If we broke it, we're gonna have another pump toward the 30 cent. This is it. Look at this. Huge fight here. 25.60. Yeah. No. Come on. We need another pump. Maybe a halt. How much we missing from here? Yeah, we're missing 12%. Okay, we have a break. Let's see if we have a cover up from the shorts. Come on, this is not the break that I'm waiting for. 26.50, 27. Okay, this is good. Let's see a continuation for this pump toward the 30 cents and then squeeze. 27. Okay, huge seller. Whoa, 55k. Okay, getting swallowing by a huge whale. So this is good. Okay, we don't want to have a flush here. We need to hold. Huge seller around the 27, man. Huge seller. Oh boy. Okay. It's dangerous now. It's dangerous, brother. Yeah, the seller added big position around the 27. Not bad, not bad. Let's see if we break the 30 cent. Still doing higher lows though. We're still doing higher lows. You know what? We'll put alert here on the 29. Check it later to see your question, guys. Yes, John. Huge buying pressure met with a huge selling pressure. But I was surprised by the 70k short order, man, around the 27. Huge selling pressure. This is the hidden seller, man. LGVN. Whoa, look at this. OMH, man, got halted down and opened down. Look at this. Game over, guys. This one, game over. Boom. We might have the $8 after all. Palantir looking still good. TRVN going back to the $2. We have a huge short open for TRVN as well. So we see if we have a bounce from the $2. GSMG still holding, but it doesn't look good. FUBO looking nice. What we have here, let's see if we have something to trade now, because the market is kind of going down for all stocks. Yeah, we have a huge pullback for many stocks. Look at this, man, all red. The only one is still holding is MOBQ, so there's someone buying this one, even though we have the CBI tomorrow. AI targeting gain traction with political advertisers, so we got something going on with this one. We got AI stock. Yeah, MOBQ have some news regarding AI related thing, you see. That's why it's jumping. That's why it's jumping and holding. Even though we have a huge red day, man. Look at this. Huge red day for today. And guess what? This one is still holding the 50. Is mean we got something, guys. So I'm not leaving this one. We have to be extremely careful, because if we broke the 30, we're gonna have a good green day. Even though the market is red, we might have a good green day for this one. Luis, no, it's not too late, but it's kind of not good to buy in the middle here, okay? We'll wait if we see a break for the 30 cent or coming back toward the 20 at least. If we accumulated here and consolidated, it will be good entry. You know why? Because we are near the support. We have really small stop loss. So now I'm still watching, because the market is red. If the market is not red and CBI, we don't have CBI by tomorrow, this one already pumped toward the 37 at least, easily. But the market is a bit red. That's why we have a bit cautious for the traders. You don't have a continuation like Palantir. Look, Palantir have a test and almost squeeze, but the market was red. We got rejected. So I'm not leaving MOBQ and Palantir, because both of them looking still good. TRVN, I'm looking for this bottom reverse. So we might have a reversal now for TRVN, because this is should be a support. But watch out, if we don't hold over the 2, is mean a huge selling pressure. Huge selling pressure will open, like what happened to OMH. Look at this, huge selling pressure. TCRX. TCRX. Okay, 128%. Oh man, this one, yeah. This one doesn't care about what's gonna happen tomorrow because it's squeezing. This one is squeezing like there's no tomorrow. This one is a huge squeezer. Let me just check. Yes, kind of is about to squeeze big time. You know what? If we actually squeeze for this one, would be really nice. We might have the $10 for this stock, but let me just check. Even the 12. So this one might be a runner for today. Let me just check if we have a bottom at least. Yeah, we got support. We got support. We got something here. Okay, so we got support around the $3.64. A breakout now is around the $5.50 to go toward the 8. Oh man, this one could be really juicy. Yeah, TCRX looking nice. Claro getting rejected. ENSC 59. Why? You know what? Let us go back and check this one out because we might have something. Earnings, I think for today after hours maybe we might get earning for this one. Nope, it was pre-market yesterday. It was really bad earnings, but we got some great news regarding this one. Yeah, pharmaceutical company. We got some collaboration with therapeutic canals. Yeah. We got something. See what's happening here. We have rejection around the $5.50. So the game plan, we wait until the price go back to reverse around the 4. Then here will be a good entry. Above the $3.60 and the $4. This would be a good entry. We can actually swing trade it. Then we ride it up. Now, if we don't have a pullback until the 4 and we broke the 5, we could actually enter around the 5 and then take profit around the 7, then the 8. But now the plausible reaction is pulling back, going back to the bottom support. Let's see a pullback now because it's overextended. This is 122. I prefer a pullback, would be better, safer entry. But I think we're gonna have a breakout now. MOBQ going down. Yeah, TCRX looking good. But I don't suggest to enter now because we don't have a clear breakout. I think we're gonna break out now. Yeah, TCRX is about to do something now. Don't do it. Don't do it. Please don't do it. Yeah, I think it's gonna do it now. $5.50. Yeah, it's pulling back. Yes, don't do it. We said it. Don't do it. Go back. Jesus told you to go back toward the 4 for entry there. $5.50. We have to have a pullback. This is a resistance. Come on. Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me, girl. This is a red line. Don't cross it. $5.50. Not good to pump now. It's not good. I'm gonna start to feel FOMO, you know. This is the only stock that's actually pumping. And we might have a huge pump for it if we pump from the $5.50. Okay, pull back. Come on, pull back. This one is pulling back, but this one doesn't listen, man. Doesn't want to listen. Come on, go back. We need a pullback toward the 4 for entry, safer entry actually. Toward this support would be safer entry. Yeah, we don't have many stock to watch. American Airlines will see it. We'll see if we have something. Okay, still watching. MOBQ not looking good now. But TCRX, I'm still watching for a break. $5.50 or $5.48. Yeah, $5.48. Let's go in 5 minutes. 5 minutes looking pretty nice. This, that. Oh man, we're gonna have a huge pump anytime soon. Okay, we got something. TRCX, guys, this one could mean business. TRCX. We need a pullback or something. Oh boy, it's about to do something, I'm telling you. Huge flush or a huge pump. There's no in between. What's gonna be? Not pumping. False pump. TCR4. Okay, this is all the stocks that have earnings today. After hours and pre-market. Pre-market already gone, but we watching for the after hours. If we got something interesting, if there's some ticker symbol here. Luna. We got Luna today. TCRX. I think we're gonna have a flush, guys. After all, we're gonna have a flush. This is good that we got rejected. This means there's a chance for us to hunt. Let me just check if we have a flush until the 4, how much we be down. Will be down 20% if we flush until the 4. But someone's still buying. Let me just check if we have hidden seller. Still someone buying, man. Okay, so we have a flush, of course. TCRX going back down. Now watch out for a reversal, guys. Watch out for a reversal for TCRX. We have to watch out for a reversal. TCRX is going back down big time. Palantir going up. Palantir, watch out. Palantir, we might have a breakout from the $9.33. Watch out, watch out. We might get something. Yeah, Palantir looking nice. OBQ and TCRX. Watch out. We might have a continuation for this selling pressure for this stock. As we said, the $5.48 is a resistance. We have to have a flush. And the price went down from there, 16%. Now we wait for the price value for TCRX around the 4 and the 368. This area should be a reversal. This area should be a reversal zone. TCRX. I'm still watching TCRX for reversal from the bottom, the $4. MOBQ reversing down, but still holding this pattern, doing still higher lows, and we might have a pump from the bottom. Yeah, for today we have a few stocks to watch: Palantir, MOBQ, and TCRX. That's it. The other got shorted. Look at this. Palantir doing alright. We have a reversal from the bottom. Okay, TCRX is squeezing. TCRX is squeezing. Okay, TCRX is officially squeezing. TCRX. Let's see now. Okay, if we have a continuation or not. TCRX is pumping. Let me just check. Okay, we have a rejection. Okay. Not good reaction here. Seller is still there. huge seller is still there. Oh man, it's squeezing. TCRX is squeezed 150. $6.15 should be another pump. TCRX. Okay, TCRX 152% up. We might have a continuation now toward the $6.15, then the $7.60. Palantir is getting near the squeeze, the $9.33. Okay, TCRX. It's pumping, guys. We reverse before the $4 actually. Palantir have a struggle once again around the $9.33, and this one have a struggle to hold over the $5.48, the breakout zone. Come on, now or never. We should squeeze. Should have a continuation right now, not tomorrow, not after few seconds, right now, because if we didn't, this means the short will come and short the stock once again. Someone's still selling. Yeah, someone's still selling there for TCRX, because we already have a huge pump here. You see, we already have a huge pump. So now we have some fight around this level, because the short seller knows if we broke again around the $5.75, we're gonna have another squeeze. That's why they're fighting. And if we broke again the $5.48, would be not good. So we are in really tight range. Here the support, and there is the resistance, $5.75. So we are really in tight range. Price break this orange line, huge flush once again. Price break this level, $5.75, we're gonna have a huge pump. But I think we're gonna have a huge dump down after this big pump. Not good, not good. Come on, we have to have a pump over the $5.75. Okay, Palantir is about to do something here. We might have something. Are you kidding me? We have a huge flush down, then pump. Yeah, huge flush. Yeah, CVNA is moving. It's still moving. CVNA looking good because we held over the $10.50. BBBYQ, today is a red day. It's the day we did 55%, now 10%. This is normal. Usually when we have a huge pump for this stock, we have a huge dump after that. Yeah, 30%, so 10% is not that big deal. Okay, this one is still fighting. Huge wick twice. We have a huge wick still holding. So as long as we hold the $5.48, we're gonna have a huge pump. Whoa, Palantir is pumping. Palantir finally is pumping. Let's see a hold up over the $9.33 for a continuation. And the support should be over the $9. Okay, we have a pump now for Palantir. Let's see a test for the market high around this level, the $9.90, then the $11. How much this is will be 5%, and from there 15%. Wow, TCRX is still holding, man. What a crazy stock. Someone is still buying, man. Any price below the $5.40, we have a huge buyer. Huge buyer. CVNA getting down. Palantir is pumping. Yes, John, you're right. Palantir looking juicy from even yesterday. This one not looking good. Nope. Still watching TCRX. We have a huge accumulation. Huge one. The same like happened here. We have a flush, then pump. Now we have accumulation. We might have a flush, then pump once again. This stock is really crazy. Really crazy. It's not a normal stock, because usually when we have this kind of accumulation, we have either dump down or pump up. Not in the same time we have dump and then pump. So this one is crazy. Palantir, we have a reversal pump. Okay, CVNA doing all right now, 4%. Let's go, CVNA, let's go. We bounced kind of from our support, the 1150, now heading toward the 1278. Here we're gonna have fireworks and then rain. Boom, boom, boom. So now we got CVNA, the stock that we're watching, Palantir, of course, MOBQ maybe after hours, and TCRX. This one we might have a continuation after this huge pump. After this accumulation, we need another pump toward the $6.15 and the $7.60 at least. Then we might have a sell-off. Yeah, we're missing almost 10%, then 37% is doable. Okay, ABNB looking interesting for a good hunt. Yeah, ABNB looking interesting now. And Palantir, of course. Okay. Sorry guys, I zoned out. When I think, I always do this. I forget time and place. I forget that I'm doing live streaming. Because when you focus, it's really hard to think sometimes about the other things. Anyway, we're watching CVNA. Whoa, what a huge dump down. What's going on here? See what's happening here? When we go on the 1 minute, we see a huge selling pressure, but in the 5 minutes, look, everything's good. So before, I get like scared when I see the 1 minute chart. Always go in a big picture. Dana. We'll check it right now. BBAI. Wow. BBBAI. Okay, this one doing alright because we are about to break an important level around the $3.08. Yeah, we might have 10% and another 10% there. Yeah, BBAI looking good. Watch out everybody, BBAI have something now. Yeah, we got a breakout. We got a breakout around the $3.09. ABNB have earning after hours today. Watch out, guys. We have earnings after hours for ABNB. We might have a breakout after hours over the 130, which is confirmation for squeeze for tomorrow to go toward the 136. So we might have at least in pre-market tomorrow 5%. Yeah, if we did really well, we might have 11%. Support to hold now is the 125. Let's see how much we could risk here. We could risk almost 2% and gain almost 7%. So risk to reward almost 3.44. 3.44. CVNA is still pumping and BBAI still pumping. We have a kind of breakout from this level. Whoa, so Palantir, we have a pullback. We have a pullback, so we got resistance there instead. $9.50. Good question. TRVN. Is TRVN it's done or not? Great question from our hunter Martin Apollo. Yeah, so we'll be done if we broke now the $2. If we broke the $2, we'd be done for today at least. Yeah, we might have a huge dip after that around the $1. We'll be careful here because we're gonna have a huge dip around the $1.30. Huge dip. This will be a huge dip. Let me just check how much. Another 32%. Now it's 33%. So we'll be down 60%. So watch out. $2. If we have a closing candle below it, yeah, would be game over at least for today. Then we have to watch for the $1.30 and the $1 mark for a reversal. Okay, ABNB. We might have a good action for ABNB before the market close. Because we got earnings, guys. We got earnings coming up after hours. Watch out. Yes, great analysis, John, regarding ABNB because it's summer season. Yeah, and we're gonna have great earnings because of that. FRCB, yeah, FRCB, something is cooking. Let me just check it for you, brother. FRCB, yes, something is cooking, all right. We have a test for our MA. We might have a rejection here. The level that we should break for today is there. This resistant 47. Oh man, if we broke this level, we're gonna have a huge squeeze. Watch out, because the price is kind of reversal. Have a great trend here. Look at this. So yeah, something is cooking, guys. Something is cooking and like on slow fire. That's what I like when I cook at slow fire, because the food, it tastes really good after that. Boom. So, but now everybody knows that people like fast food and they don't like to cook, and that's why there's no discipline, there's no patience for cooking food, and you know, and it's kind of really funny because everything is related. Because if you cook or you do something, need time to prepare. It's the same with the trading. If you prepare for the pre-market and you do the due diligence and study the stocks that you want to buy, it's hard work. It's need time. And if you don't have the patience, you're gonna lose money because you first trade. So FRC, yeah, looking good and cooking and slow fire. So we have to watch out for the 47 break. We're gonna have a huge squeeze this time, man. We might have the test for the $1 first and the $1.40. And this jump could be a really huge jump, almost 200% jump. So we watch for the bottom price or holding over this ascending channel, John. If we held it, would be perfect. Then breaking the 47 for squeeze. Yes, John, you're right. There's something is cooking. The same with ABNB. There's something is cooking. TCRX is pulling back. MOBQ is still holding. We might have power hour for it. Palantir as well. We might have a power hour, CVNA still holding, BBAI breaking the resistance, but we don't have a continuation. So there's someone selling. And this one, guys, watch out. We might have a huge sell-off after we break the $2. What else? FUBO, nice. FUBO, we have a reversal. As we said, look, guys, we said the $1.62 should be a support. And we have a huge wick here when the market opened. So someone bought, and guess what? We reversed. Now we are in green. Nice. So FUBO squeeze would be around the $1.89, and we might have a continuation. Yes, sir. Guys, press the like button and the WAN. Don't forget that. Really important. And share our live streaming to your loved ones or your friends if they want to learn how to trade. And just tell them that we do live streaming each day from the pre-market around the 9 a.m. Eastern time. And we do our live streaming almost 2 hours. So if you came late today, make sure to come early next time. Dave asking about WINT. We are below the $2, so it's not good yet. Not good yet. Any price action here is risky because we might have a fake out, test the $2, then going toward the 90. Not good yet. SFWL. Oh man, even the name looks different. SFWL. Whoa. What's going on? Yo, what's going on? This one looking not scary, but dangerously scary. It's like spooky, man. This one is like going to battlefield without a gun, you know. It's like going to the war zone without having even a weapon, you know, because this stock is like insiders actually controlling the stock, man. Look at this. It's news related, the stock. You see what's happened is dying here, and every time we have a pump we have a dump. So usually it's been dumped by insiders. Pump, dump. So this one, you have to be quick. And again, if you are an emotional trader and you traded before stock like AMC and hold, and you have the diamond hand mentality, I'm just telling you, never trade this stock. It's not for you. You need like hunter mentality, okay, for this stock. You enter, you exit. Look what's going on here. This one, if you want to trade it with small amount of money, because this one could actually be tricky to trade. We have a support here around the $7.60. If we hold this support, we're gonna have a continuation up once again. Let me just try to see. Yeah, it's really tricky, man. This one is tricky. You know what? We'll see. Let's see if we have a test once again here. The support should be in this area, the 760 and $6. If we reversed here, guys, after this selling pressure, we're gonna have a reversal. Otherwise, nope. We continue to go down because now it's halted. If we went down around the $7.60, $6, this is the last bottom we should have a reversal at to confirm us this stock have a chance to reverse. Otherwise, boom, sell off. So we need a reversal going toward the 12 and squeeze once more. Let me just check how much we lost already. We lost 36% and now 110%. Wow, this one's crazy. Oh man, CVNA, yeah, kind of not good now. Why are we going back again? Okay, not over, not that over yet. Not over. CVNA is not over because we already pumped big time from the 8, so this is normal that we have a bit of selling pressure. And the 1 hour, we have a huge wick. But look at this. We have a huge pump here for CVNA. And again here. And each time we have a pump, we have a dump. Here we have a dump. And here we have a dump. But this is not dump, but correction, you know. So for CVNA is the $10 still, $10.50 is the bottom or the support. Now we have another support we're still holding, which is the 11.50. So it's not over. TCRX. We got this one still hold it down, SFWL. Huge short for this stock. Press the like button and the way in. Remember guys, we do always live streaming each day. Free market. SFWL is still halted down. Hopefully we don't have a gap down, you know. If we have a gap down, it would be crazy to recover after that. We might trigger the like panic selling. Yeah, we opened the market and we are down. I think we halted once again around the $8.11. Wow. So yeah, huge dump down for this one from the 12 until the $7. Huge dump. As we said, we need to hold over the box to have a reversal right now. Yeah, Jim, a lot of dump and pump for a lot of Chinese stock. It's not good to hold them, you know. We have to get in quickly and exit quickly. Yeah, this one got shorted big time. This one is really tight because the resistance is near here and the support is really near as well. $4.40. Okay, this one is started to reverse from our bottom price. So this is a reversal zone, as we said. Let me just check how much. Yeah, already 11% here. A, B, and B started to move. Okay. Yeah, VUBO looking nice. That's why we have some whale actually bought VUBO when we have this dip. Every dip is met with a huge buying pressure. And now is about to break this resistance that we had yesterday around $1.89. So we might have a squeeze now for FUBO. Again, guys, bless the like button on the way in. Don't forget this. TRVN. As we said, the support right now is $2. If we don't hold it, $1.30. John BYD. Looking promising. Let me just check it for you. Yes, looking promising, BYD, but it's a bit expensive. Is a bit expensive, and at the same time we might get it rejected pretty near the 72. It's overextended. Yeah, but it's looking good because last earning was pretty nice. We got dividends, and yeah, looking good. This one is growth stock, so we could actually make swing trade with it. By the way, guys, we're gonna do update for those stocks if we have a break for the support or resistance. And our Discord here and day trade and our Patreon as well. And again, if you're not already member with our Hunter channel in Discord and Patreon, let me know in the comment section or just send me an email. I will be happy to reply on your questions as soon as I finish from our live streaming contact. So our email is trading.jesus.contact@gmail.com. We don't have phone number or Telegram or whatever or WhatsApp because all the scammers using this. So that's why we have email, just an email in order to contact me. After that, if you're already member in our Discord or Patreon, we can actually have an access to me directly. Welcome Muhammad from Pakistan. All my brother and sister from Pakistan. FUBO, it wasn't actually dead, as we said, guys. Gem, you have to be willing to lose in order to make money, man. As we said, the $1.62 is the support. Why are you selling if we're still holding here? Yes, you entered around this level really high, let's say around the 1.86, and you see yourself 10% down, but the support is around the 12% down. So you have to take this loss in order to stay in the trade and at the same time to make profit. So this is the idea. You have to be willing to risk. Calculate how much you risk. If you're not comfortable, lower your investment, man. If you put 100k, of course 10% is really too much for a loss. You know, you can't take it. So that's why you get out like early before a reversal, and this is make you you turn a good trade to bad trade because you exit early. So think about it. If you don't want to have like 10% trade loss or something, trade the other stock that have small percentage gain. FUBO could actually do 20%, 30% in one day. So we have to be willing to risk at least 10%, 12% on the loss in order to make 20 or 30%. So always think about the loss before the gain. And if you're not comfortable, as we said, lower your investment. Okay, Jam, this is good. But think about it. Always take profit on the level that we already set, you know. Because if you just take 100 of profit and you exit early, this is it's called taking profit early. And this is even as bad as taking a loss, you know, because the most important thing in trading is maximize your gain, because the gain actually protects you from other loss in the next trade, you know. Because if you take just 100 and you should have actually took 1000, the next trade, the other trade, if you actually enter other trade and you lost, let's say 500 and 400, you lose all the profit that you made. So always maximize your profit. Don't exit early. Do a trainer stop. Try to maximize your gain. At the same time, minimize your risk or minimize your loss, or exit only when the stop loss will hit and never average it down. Yeah, FRCB looking good. FRCB looking good. Wow, going toward the 47 or the 48 cent. Yeah, FRCB looking good. I will put it down with FUBO and the other stock. CVNA looking good. BBAI, nope. Palantir, yeah. MOBQ, TRCX, ABNA, ABNB. Okay, guys, just stay tuned for our hunt for the stocks that have earnings. We have a huge stocks earnings for today. As you can see here, we have earning calendar. After hours today, we have many stocks, Luna one of them. So we're gonna do a short analysis for the stock that have earnings for tomorrow or after hours today to hunt for exact entry and exit. Like one of them is ABNB, as we should suggest that the price will have a huge pump if we're still holding the support, and we might have a breakout zone pretty near. So stay tuned for this on our Discord here on day trade and maybe even swing trade, and on our Patreon as well. And if you have any questions, send me an email. I'll reply as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you in the next update.